Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft elixirs in Diablo 4. And to do this, first you will need to reach level 15, then you can open a map, look in the main city, Key of Shad, I guess it's called like that, and there will be alchemist right here. You might also need to make a quest before that. There will be sign for a quest right here to upgrade your healing potions. When you're ready, you'll be able to talk with the alchemist. Here you can click on craft elixirs, click on reveal, and here's all of the elixirs you can craft, but keep in mind they require some ingredients. And now let's create this one and click on craft. It should be added to the consumables and we can now use it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.